Did you miss our fall intake semester? No worries.
Enroll now for our spring semester intake at our open house.
It is not difficult to find our campuses. We are located in downtown Dubai at City Walk.
We are ranked #1 in Dubai for a third year in a row.
CUD offers 18 accredited programs and over 30 majors to choose from.
Our faculties are internationally qualified, coming from all around the world.
We are home to over 120 nationalities.
Our campus life buzz with concerts, events, and many societies. You want to start your education in Dubai and transfer to Canada? We have over 20 partners to choose from. CUD is now accepting application for spring intake starting in January 2024.
What are you waiting for? Apply now to qualify for our study scholarship.